Let's enjoy the fall leaves together. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a moment to just breathe in through your nose and then let it back out once again. Take a big breath in through your nose, filling yourself all the way up with air. Then let the breath back out once again. One more time, big breath in, fill all the way up, and let that breath back out once again. Now imagine you are standing in a beautiful tree-filled forest. The trees are so many different colors, all at once. You look up at the leaves that have not yet fallen from the tree. They are like giant color wheels, spreading a canopy of color over your head. You start to walk slowly through the trees now, admiring their sturdiness, their strength, their beauty, their foundation. These trees have been standing here for so long, and yet they still have so much energy and life left to live. You watch the wind as it gently flutters the leaves, and a few more fall from the trees above, slowly cradled to the ground by the wind. You can hear the crunching of leaves now as you go deeper and deeper into the forest. The air feels cool on your skin, and you can smell the freshly fallen leaves all around you. They smell like nature, just as they should. You continue walking through the forest of colorful trees, enjoying the vibrant colors, the soft whistling sounds of the leaves as they gently continue to fall to the ground. As they gently continue to fall to the ground. All the light in me sees all the light in you. Namaste, yogis.